Chala jana bagwa ne kon di alto kontino. Um, Cha kere clip mo gwa mi sa benjeme ya boys mo gwa mi sa record honorable Galwa. Actually, honorable by the way because he deserves the title. Ko bla honorable. You are going out of your way to help others. Uh, Telecom mean that we are just lucky that she out cái internet whereby diri men know men nok loy to je ka tong de na lo bi record so jen kuna la communicate so easily ma ta ga dan tel reason de nga jen ne chi nga na malar ke tel reason dir nga je chen me chalar today baba right ka emotional aggressions I use a leverage a native content ga ka kon you also je ko manan charwai chef mugwa no long cái dân quay trigger đến chả ra một cái dung jurumi chirwai mi jani yen chiana long cái juj cái yen tele ye char laro pia kular political but laro ngidun tele ye char by the way roi toro ne jen la kona long char tele je but question o the char ten but don't cha manipulate je for so many reasons take a reason I don't want long they don't de char and they manipulate ke je kia tong dara to with who knows they know what it knows but man kula to man ko jaga barai long analogy to use dung lon cha re aran gore je de push further the more example de ban latin men yam wo lon kan le ideal chuka ka cage by the way le ideal ko ke le kon la the higher animal do according to has ko we ka kon gorja to ko ra chola kon higher animal ko dong char kon kroi kon ga to kon ga tet kan che tet ken cha kala pin flexibility entertaining kon kan entertaining chari kon tele ke so for that reason she kon can manipulate it chum na ko man lo nyam bum la ke la yang je ke stories me da dan ga ne lo bom de chara ka bom un to jan di cái điều giờ thua bây giờ qua là cho là king of the jungle but chi would chi chare man chi man re che la re nyo la wi no kude hamle ko chare kare ka ja ka char che ko la lat la me la je un ne ngai nda ne me ka te la char ba ko re quite a ba push further maybe to make it a little bit more clearer okay recent example then to one example lo kono ba use cha kon keje di cha kon keje tama ka gambele let's say kan dor kon dang rawdial cha kon keje tama recent lo kono gambele nda e keje ko on tama kana ga new land karo jelle hele bay nam china chiwe kwer chiwe gwamen nan ma dong di ro je mi chamatin chingna gwa kel chingna sander fir ko mi chi kaira de chang jelle jin bayna take rami chari ala ka menaji who designed that is designed somewhere take gwam cha engineer ten ka public health thinking ka ko wana me take analogy mala use ne won ala loin me loin pin kuna ku ko la moa mi chira bala bua nanen enen ku ko la pen pin tin ku la bi bakam na ka ku la kwar na ka kene wo dirwa gwa na ni chat ne te chat ku na la pen yertin ajan gwa mo di chat mo di yo ka chongten that thinking use ne yo ka prevention ka public health wana me yo ka je ne wona ne changa chu mo ka thinking la to chunu mi chi dor mi to I have to dig bo wo dor bene ka where is it coming from ajan question might help a lot you you ask okay where is it coming from what is the cause maybe this cause led to another cause where is it coming from be man mi chitar ka dor chi oje so is being engineered tana ka gambele tame e keje manan ko woni tu ko dit china wetin shi wo wi ka dobrar ba ina shi wo wi ka tar pam dal na ka ji tel me la lat this thing cannot keep together like that come poverty we medina road so ta kon cage why are we being caged emotional aggression because ngai na kon take so many factors we don't know why con just so aggressive like this is it bad no it's not bad but it can be they harness they use a go was a jack well jam kula take na ko jin mi ci te bay clear mi ci ngagn bay clear but me chala jen the only thing you got by ke chala luny ka junub to me cha ka ke no cha ka ke ken yun me ne dia la ling yen ka mo ta na content ko me cha icham ne kare ke tet kan gar gur me la lele je be lele be joy ba cha icham ni re cha i ke cha con ke cha con re che ka luny why ko ka con gang ka je why because we are so aggressive me ta con rar na con la dim ba con moy ka me be con gang re la dim Chwara buguino way ngani yang cage di don't can yen matam. This is a cage. Chwara guino don't let a tabla de kula ben lep wang. No, and go jelly in you don't talk. Teramata a predomanta. She write a telephone, ele Brigian, Buanaga can be work free. Ka neighboring countries dia can down one dia that in kakon. A cage. Emotionally, we're drained every day. Hatred, when we fueling our emotion, our thinking part of the brain is not working as a group, collectively, in which poor decision could confront you, then are tuner. She chapter the end, Mother con le jacade con la powerful ba, you tell. I shan't get a con cage. Go to Madrid away. Ni ko target to let's say for example ka Sudan da ko tatina ta ganwar takatin ni ke go and poverty mi chai marginalize ka kine gwar and be manipulated jena ku dul ko la target ke je dul ko si o dare je didi ka luana ban mi chai use ke ta nan te ke jen ta man drama na ka luade ka liwa kon gori o de continue ko de luar nei Kachane take 100 years. It's not working. She can't no less blame that can no less ayos kagwa. Kagoni and got a contingent and most of them Christian who work or labam with a mayang and take a claim, take a Roman major link there. I'm even when a god here now, Nangana, Kor and quick and that's in a woman tell direction and run way manipulated. Again, a chilling one and I can conquer in more take a year to Mediterranean Sea. Which can tell direction, I can't cage, I can't animal. Ele be bigger than Jaina Unimis, Jane Kodaka neighboring country, Jaina Unimis, which I can't cage. They didn't go a test here, you and Medan, or emotion, do no last year, you agor, would Janu, the Lagorka, Nairobi. You let the emotion do no more, you have a win. I was like, it's true. I gave it a thought, try year tour. Mentodian conventional warfare, kind of modern warfare. You have a wonder on and would made a year. Don't call that in rocket, take your corner, boom, rock a permit, a condor, or bang on a laran. Man, we are not a Jackie and Aria Jackie and a Mike Kilan Bilel, Bunara Barnan, Man may Jomnako and a botanical missile. By missile by your. Nan binal bigana chikanen ko go chukur char gar ko kanay dang di binato population ma kay liwdir your wife out chabang ger ko go medan go binajo ka battlefield medan ajan winning mi ci win go yina yi ka battlefield badan tame yo ko kanay dan di chan ka ji kwan wan tama doran ka kon to liwdo ka kon cha joy to in which in jujin na general call kon believe ko kon power kul ndam ya kon joy kon one and liye na ka kon the recent example yesterday ka ko in tega ne he is jilling no in war well ran me okay she level okay in war well kui mi ne de ba kui mi cha ka level to ke terrorist ke rebel ken rebel le do mi rebel mi na tela mi na ko rebel kui me na ba mi na war well lo do shi ran ko go nowhere well say ko then emotion hari yen temo kwarana kan ga chữ cái quiet design cái tết anh em quiet selve la gor ma gora đi là ngay nó gor ma gor này gan tok ro mà chứ con này ya cầm con cái bom mà biên nên gora bo này nowhere well but feel relief ya nowhere well ya na but in reality kind of win chere mi chakula kai ni ya da tu oi ya dum mi chi mi cái yo di te chwa di te do kai di bai de je exactly chi da mo ye na Ajene la kwa discourage je wona ne kono yo kam dan che probe no ta kon kariya mo di along che dit ka jan ta la te ka jan chiang ka no ngo cha kon cha billion cha identify cha enemy cha you enemy domain cha ngao you enemy domain cha ka design cha ka mo ke name cha hatred di cha la radiant ka tet cha kon gal ka cha engineer ka tet Adam di mi wo go pattern la yen ke garma cha fo ne me ku ko ra to ne me la ka era a design edi ko usually electoral republic can ideology still right now rodin we one good example like capitalism me yol can go every man is for himself electoral republic na rodin because every man is for himself but how do you get other people to follow you because you ngan I am jangan severe don why ku lo gora kan didn't kram she engineer will remember go on for a very long time tita la loin career ta la yen ka ja ta la yoy ka ja ka ba kamra ka ba nyo kamye ka bia bet cause yen kwere mo kwa guided na ka tet kwa manipulate ka tet gen manipulation no if you look at it you follow it very well hiro pal penyanan she gwe go she emotion you remove ko ko nyam bi emotion bi ko remove ne kana kana kwan design ne ja ka tet a trigger emotional trigger yeme che country nda ye nang no gwa me cha benena odi go ngai ka je ne thinking part as a group teleje menana lana nyuro bana ti ka kana ma scam cha kama weje teleje so this is a level karami ni una ne te ka mije ka kan shi manara ma ko do design shwala je adverse effect of the war ke side effect ka medicine during invention ke discovery of the drug take a unwanted function like what shwala ke adverse effect shwala ke side effect ke effect you don't need but because you like a side effect so guru be ignore but can function but me you use ka on the way ka did ka use by la function being main function by la use la adverse effect la use la side effect enemy je can today ka kon kel adverse effect ke side effect of the war otherwise the privileges titel ka kon ngane cha engineer is big game kel canadian te kel ka electoral republic ko na rodin bane ku learn la go hard reality tan to on them bane understand will soon come to understand mi chane la ra ban roi ku ne ba kwan kan ran ne ke doctor o me chi ma ta da ne la roi na rodin ke rich e bi learn o barana kwan ke te yo ta kan rai dan we gwar be bungwana me te wujetin be kon tu ke any emotion dana me is being used somewhere. Shai started very well. Go is documented. If you looked around, you will find Nuer. Then you are Nuer resistant. Gor yang edan. People were shocked me ne ya Nuer la kwa ogjane kwa rei deken. Gor te nu te ur mi chia gor mi chia Liban Frisha. Gor Nuer they rate dinka cattle. No from there. Kon studied very well inside out. So a reason royal galwa bon parliament je Xavier dan again the only person we kon camera re kam ci kon je cause gore je banaro manje otherwise dum char kon go kwata ke fawata de kon kam kom mata dor anda diena mo se our second home de kam je de man wo ja ka free take to one the revolution de what wo ngini go revolution must begin inside our brain otherwise ta lel kon je dem we are just acting under emotion mi wo rajira la je ke is word are emotionally loaded he thinking part of his brain or her brain teleje je ra raje ku ni jen je lo ay mana na emotion but me you step back kon kwa kon manipulated ke tet ko men nyam ba kon fe na kon kwan mi kon mi tel be kon to tel will gora any kind of manipulation kwa religious manipulation kwa political manipulation can all of this be collect kan dial again ni entame kan ne diar ko lo ko men ni no mi chu pal ci ko go yo be kon da be yor pin biro relief be relief mi chang te ka ma daw ni jen ma te jera no te ka dwor magwa ka tele ya kaji bi pal bi ko dio bi ngam moy bi chu liep ko te jo na lim ne beda bi chu liep but in reality diri gor diri jaba ajene ne cha galwa che chu moy ka gor jene ladim ajen boda mode kon woy ni that thinking itself agenda de kon remove ne je teme wejek ka kon tele wun ma gor je ne bana ka jin mi chai ane le chai tu I mean chai tu kuidun lo chiram ye ke win can't in reality they are all interconnected the reason and we're so mad today religion go superficial religion tele spirituality mi araide a reason mo dung religion ba mata ke spirituality ngai ke basho of it ni rol kana lo ko bina ni ni ke yamane chadela na tuo wodi was superficial kateka ma wona tin ke wo show till direction ku yime a reason la today like they act more like an orpheum where they was sedated go with you must wait again the only place you can wait but you cannot wait outside you could the outside ka chi de frey ba kan chi wear ba kule liap gorje so for that reason engadika ta kon ka cage shoot kon long chidit bu tie ne ale ngu ja kon ka bu kon la target ka je yes kon target kon chang da ne ngai la ne ngone ada per kon cha ne da roi kon bade ne le rui ka tele mi shari ala ka kuidien ka ti che ga taro so for that reason they use they manipulate ko luang ka ye ko shari dun cha ngai ka je wo mi chai tui ni ne mình đây ne lel ne me ne mi ai ngai inside out like that cnn yene ka wangdu I can kide gor kono community me jadid community me very educated they are missing the only way we will get out which I completely support I agree with education mato mitake our norms mitake our cultural values here ta chi kono go ben ka je education na je ko kono je kon ta ma kono rom ka jinu kono Uganda kono buñ kono Kenya ne ka kon Egyptian ne bokon rom ka kon foreigners ci ko len ko brand ben dama ya tok chay yu pal la mi ci raj ka tong ma dama yu ben ga to mi joy ne mi yu no ngone bi me chang na ka tera mi lingje kon foreigners duel gor na be big ben chang ban investing mi chan ro je mi cham kona e char kon ci ka go bana gwa ne bari dan la be tin bana ko la lon kenen so for that reason la cha kon cage right rat kalwa me yin loñ ayang bu mi cher ko ngo ka tan jin ka emotional aggression that's the only thing you have by you la left rajarame ramgurje be controlled so chane nen a revolution it must continue bana chonkel chengan clear le ba chonkel galwa in whatever I understand tele wo nga ka me cha gor na ya gar mi jo dol ka ngani ji rebel yes nga rebel in my brain honestly nga rebel I don't agree unless it convince me take a data convince me agent than way thinking I did a billet me tell a data I believe I don't want it ko even my own belief kwa nyaka will way ka nyok if they don't help me I change them wa ka te jadi ne ka jen the only way be ben ko ra I'm telling you cha kon Kate kan keja mo bana berar tin ka duop do dien ci kon dem berar la lo nyok never ba kon keep in the cage forever